Hello everyone, my name is Idumeka and this is my CS50 Web Wiki project. This project requires some specifications. The first specification is the entry page. So if I go to my URL bar and I type wiki/css, I'm going to be taken to the CSS entry page. If I type wiki/Django, I'm going to be taken to the Django entry page. But if I if I type an entry that doesn't exist, for example, wiki/port, I'm going to see an error message that says page doesn't exist. The second specification is the index page. So clicking on the home navigation link, I'm going to see a list of entries, and clicking on any of them, I'm going to be able to read their content. For example, if I click on Git, I'm going to be taken to the Git entry page. If I click on Python, I'm going to take into the Python entry page. If I click on Nigeria, I'm going to take into the Nigeria entry page. The third specification is search. So if I try to search for an entry, for example, if I search for HTML, I'm going to be taken to the HTML entry page because it exists. But if I try to search for an entry that doesn't exist, like men, I'm going to see an error message which says page doesn't exist. But if I search for E, I'm going to see a list of entries that have E in them. If I search for OM, I'm going to see a list of entries that have OM in them. So the fourth specification is new page. So clicking on the create page link, I'm going to be able to create a new page, a new entry page. But if I try to create a page that already exists, for example, home, and I type home and I click create, I'm going to see an error message that says page already exists. But if I create a page that doesn't already exist, for example, CS50, let me try to create CS50, and I click create, I'm going to be taken to the CS50 entry page. I'm going to take into the CS50 entry page. So this is the new page I created. So the fifth specification is edit page. So going back to my index page, I have the option to edit any entry I want to edit. For example, if I want to edit EDX, I'm going to click on EDX and I'll see an edit button that will allow me edit EDX. So I'm going to edit EDX. And I click save. So as you can see, I've added a new paragraph and I've italicized students and graduates. So the sixth specification is the random page. So clicking on the random page link, I would see random entries, as you can see. So the seventh specification is Markdown to HTML conversion. So as I have demonstrated in this project, I can create a new entry by using the Markdown syntax, and I'm going to see and it's going to be converted to HTML and displayed for me to see. So thank you for listening.